Everything is so simple when I'm riding. I've ridden these roads many times. They're familiar and they're strange. I've seen everything. I've seen nothing. Ordinary rides have dominion. Simple pleasures sustain me. There was a time when I believed I could only be content somewhere far off. The coast of Maine, the German Alps, sailing on blue water. But they're not requirements for satisfaction, happiness, or serenity. Living takes place in a moment that has little to do with geographic location. Heading home, thinking of other rides, of deer appearing on the road, of the tapestry of ordinary rides that still thrill.